In this video, I will show you how to set up a custom domain in System.io, as well as link that custom domain to your current sales funnels. So let's get started. First thing, let's sign in. So go to Settings. Scroll down to your custom domains. By default, your System.io username is your current default URL. To add a new domain, we click Add Domain. We then need to fill in the domain here. So whichever system you bought your domain on, go to that. For me, it's Namecheap. You will then log in. For Namecheap, you'll go to your dashboard. You will then click Domain List. Then find the domain you want to copy. So for me, that will be youtubetutorial.info. So I copy that, go back to my System.io, and I put www. and put it in. I then click Save. Okay, so that's great. Next, we go back to Namecheap, find the domain that we want to use, and we click Manage. Scroll down and ensure Name Servers says Namecheap Basic DNS, which mine does. You can then click Advanced DNS. Then the host records is where we are going to fill in these details. So as you can see, I just bought this domain for the purpose of this video. So I now need to delete these two and add our own CNAME records. So just delete them out. We will then click Add New Record, call it CNAME Record, and we'll go back to System.io to get those details. So these are split into two different categories. We get the host and the value. So this is our host and this is our value. So for the host, we take everything before the dot, so www dot in this case, and we put that in there. And then we need a value, which is all of this on the right. Copy that and insert it in there. We then click Save Changes. We then click Add New Record. Once again, CNAME record. And we go back to System.io. Now we're going to take all of this on the left, again, before the full stop. So again, do not include the full stop. Ensure you have all of it. Click Copy and paste that in the host. We'll then do the same on the right, and we'll take everything on the right. Then target, paste, ensure it doesn't give you an error, and click Save. We now go back to System.io, we'll close the block, and you'll now see it says pending validation. From prior experience, this will take roughly 20 minutes to show the validation, but can take anywhere up to 24 hours. If, however, you'd like to check it beforehand, you can go to dnschecker.org. So that's dnschecker.org. That's over here. Ignore that. Paste your domain in there. So we take this, paste it in there, and we click Search. If it gives you ticks all the way, then you know it looks good. So as you can see here, I've got ticks all the way, so my domain is working. But for the purpose of this video, I'll wait 20 minutes and we'll catch up after that. Okay, so it took a bit longer than 20 minutes. It actually took an hour, but not too bad. So now we're going to add it to our funnels. So we click Funnels, find the funnel you have, click these three dots, and you click Settings. Then use the drop-down box, click YouTube Tutorial, and click Save. Now, if I went into my funnel, you can see it now has changed to YouTube Tutorial. So if I want to, I can delete this. So I have a nice short link. Once I get the tick, you know it's correct. Then I'll go to Thank You page, and I can change this as well. Okay, so it doesn't, I think it does not like the capital letter T. There we go. And that's your custom domain set up. If you're looking for a custom domain, Namecheap, I would highly recommend. The sign up link is just below, Note, we will receive a commission if you sign up through it at no cost to you. I hope the video helped. Cheers.